Are you tired of spending hours cleaning your floors with multiple tools? Say goodbye to your old cleaning routine and welcome the convenience of the BISSELL PowerFresh Vac and Steam all-in-one vacuum and steam mop. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and welcome the BISSELL 2747A Powerfresh Vac and Steam all-in-one vacuum and steam mop into your home. Clean floors in one easy step. With the PowerFresh Vac and Steam, you can vacuum up dirt and debris while steam cleaning your hard floors simultaneously. This innovative all-in-one solution saves you time and effort by combining two essential cleaning tasks into one easy step. Sanitize with the power of steam. Say goodbye to germs and bacteria with the natural power of steam. This steam mop sanitizes your floors, eliminating 99.9% of germs and bacteria, ensuring a clean and healthy home environment for you and your family. Easy touch digital controls. Switching between vacuuming, steaming, or both has never been easier thanks to the easy touch digital controls. Seamlessly transition between functions while cleaning, giving you complete control over your cleaning process. Versatile and safe for all hard floors. The PowerFresh Vac and Steam is safe to use on sealed hard floors, including hardwood, tile, ceramic, linoleum, marble, and granite. Whether you're cleaning hardwood floors in the living room or tile floors in the kitchen, this all-in-one cleaner has you covered. Powerful Cyclonic Vacuum. Equipped with a powerful cyclonic vacuum, this cleaner effectively captures dirt and debris off the floor and into the dry dirt tank, ensuring thorough cleaning results every time. Easy maintenance and customization. Changing mop pads is a breeze with a detachable mop pad tray, allowing you to customize your cleaning experience with ease. Plus, dry tank technology keeps moisture out of the dirty tank, ensuring that the debris inside stays dry for hassle-free maintenance. Experience the convenience of the BISSELL PowerFresh Vac and Steam. In conclusion, the BISSELL PowerFresh Vac and Steam all-in-one vacuum and steam mop offers unparalleled convenience and cleaning performance. With its innovative features, powerful performance, and versatile functionality, it's the ultimate cleaning solution for busy households. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.